Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing my ultra rares, but first I'm going to start with this. I got it today at Toys R Us. It's a pointer stick. I got it for absolutely no reason. I just wanted it. Now I'm going to show my ultra rares. Mini Minty in green. Honey. Oh, Cute Boot. She just fell on the floor. Lana Lamp. Sweeps. I got her today. Olivia Oil. Mary Muffin. Pamela Pancake. Zappy Microwave. Sour Lemon. And Sour Lemon again. So those are all my ultra rares, guys. Bye.